Howdy, folks. I'm going to play a song tonight called Buckets of Rain in drop D tuning. Buckets of rain, buckets of tears. Got all these buckets coming out of my ears. I got buckets of moonbeams in my hand. I got all the love, honey baby, I can't stand. Well, I've been meek and hard like an oak, seeing a lot of pretty people disappear like smoke. Friends will arrive, friends will disappear. If you need me, honey baby, I'll be near. But I like your smile and your fingertips. I like the way you move your hips. I like the cool way you look at me. And everything about you is bringing me misery. Little red wagon, little red bike. I ain't no monkey, but I know what I like. I like the way you love me strong and slow. Well, I'm taking you with me, honey baby, when I go. Well, life is hard, life is a bust. All you can do is do what you must. Well, you do what you must do, but do it well. Yeah, I do it for you, honey baby, can't you tell? I said I do it for you, honey baby, can't you tell? Thanks for listening.